Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is part 2 of my Joann's haul. If you saw my, I think it's second to last video, I posted a Joann's haul because they separated my shipments. So I received the rest of my order. I had ordered I actually still have it here, the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Horizon. And I was missing the paper pad, which I received today. And let me do a quick flip through. Very colorful, very Paige Evans, super pretty. So that's what that looks like. And you guys, they're super affordable in Joann's. I don't know if it's still the same prices, but I got it with all the rave from last week. I also picked up some backups for Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. I got some more bows. I got the stickers, the little sticker pack. You get 202 stickers. And these were only like $2.39, you guys. Great deal. I got another pack of ephemera. And then I got some charms from the Sunny Days. This is my second pack, so it's like my backup. And then I got the cardstock stickers, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a million times. But now I can actually play with the one that I have and hoard one, because you guys know how I do. So they didn't have, I think I didn't make it in time to get the little 6x8, so I did get the project pad, which I'm sure you guys have seen. I have also shown it in my channel where you get, I'll tell you right now. So you get in this project pad, let's see. You get the stickers, 177 stickers. You get 4 specialty papers, 8 pattern papers, and 10 cardstock, just plain solid color sheets. And this was only $5.99, regular price $10. And then another little mini tiny haul is some dies from Aliexpress. I got this super cute mini like heart die. So it makes like a heart shaped rosette. I got this one. And then I got this rosette die as well. And then I got this like bride bow. This is the die for that. I'll have the dies linked down below so you guys can definitely check it out. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is this super cute kit. And it's, I don't know if I told you guys, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am part of the Paper Cherries design team. And she sells these cute little kits every month. This is her cute little logo. I'll have her link down below as well if you guys want to join in. And this is what comes. You get layered bows, four count layered bows. You get a little sequence mix of 6 grams. You get a gem set with 2 count, charms 4 count, cone clips 6 count. And this month is watermelon. What is wrong with me? I can't talk, you guys. Watermelon theme. Okay, let me show you guys what you get in the kit. Comes in this cute little bag. And these are the little gems you get. I love the color scheme. It's so cute. These cute little cone paper clips. You get these cute little bows. And then you get these little charms, little pom-pom charms. And then last but certainly not least, you get this super cute sequence mix. Pinks and the greens. Super pretty. And it's a good amount. So I'll have her link down below as well if you guys want to go check her out. And yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Sorry for my mumbo jumbos, but it's 6 o'clock. I just got out of work. I wanted to get this video up. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.